Hey guys, in this video we're going to carry on with step 4, which is verifying your geo settings. Now, from your main Ecwid control panel, we've already done the step 1, step 2, and step 3. They're all green. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to go down here, which is step 4, verify the geo settings. Basically what this does is it just makes sure that we've got the right country, the right dollar amount, and the right weight that you're using. So the settings that you're using for your region. At the moment, I'm in country New Zealand, and we've got the New Zealand dollar showing, and we've got kgs, which is great. That's what I want to do. If that's not you and it doesn't show the right amount, you can click on Edit, and you can go in and change that. Once it's all changed and you're happy with it, click Proceed to Next Step. Now, it's going to ask you to set up your company info. So at the moment, it just says Online Store. So we're going to call it the Batcave. And the company name is Batco, and our phone number is, and our street address, what were we, 563 Cave Place, Taupo. And then we select our region, which is Bat Plenty, and zip code. And we go save. That's pretty much it for this video. You're just setting up your geo settings, so make sure that your shop is configured for your area. So France, Germany, United States, anywhere that you guys are, make sure that it's set for your guys' dollar amount. Awesome. See you in the next video.